Suspicion, yes.
Of a crime.
Of a reasonable suspicion that you turn around.
Can I just talk to the supervisor that's back there?
No, sir. I need your driver's license.
I'm done answering questions.
All right, sir. I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle for me, sir.
For what purpose?
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
The driver was traveling down a public road in Georgia near a prison and decided to turn into a driveway to turn around. Shortly after, they were stopped by a trooper who claimed their actions were suspicious and requested identification. Under Georgia law, OCGA Section 40-5-29 states that drivers must provide a license when lawfully stopped for committing a traffic violation or crime. The driver, however, had not committed any infraction and repeatedly asked the trooper to articulate a valid reason for the stop, which the officer failed to do.
Hi.
Everything all right, sir?
Yeah, I was checking something out on the map.
Okay, all right. You do realize you stopped there, back there?
Yeah, we thought we could get through, and then we saw we couldn't, so we turned around.
All right. You got your driver's license with you?
I do. Am I getting pulled over for something?
Well, you pulled into the water driveway back there.
To turn around.
Yeah, and we're trying to figure out what you were doing. We're trying to identify you.
Is that illegal?
How's my ID going to tell you what I'm doing?
Well, we're trying to identify you.
Okay.
For what?
May I please have your driver's license?
Is that a lawful order?
Yes, sir.
What infraction do you believe I've
pulled
committed?
over here on the road, and I checked that.
Because I was going to look at the map. I didn't want to get on my cellular device
Well, that's good.
while I was driving.
Well, that's good. I appreciate it. You have your driver's license?
I have my driver's license with me, but I'm not certain I'm required to give it. Can you state some sort of statute or
Yes, sir.
some sort of infraction?
Anytime you're requested by law enforcement to provide driver's license, you have to provide your driver's license.
If you've committed some sort of infraction or
You turn around
crime,
back there.
was
that
that illegal?
illegal?
Was that illegal?
And you pulled in, so we're trying to figure out what
Was
you
that
were doing
illegal?
now.
When the driver questioned the legality of the ID request, the trooper insisted it was required under Georgia law, but did not provide a specific statute justifying the demand. Georgia courts have established that mere suspicion without evidence of criminal activity does not meet the standard for reasonable suspicion under the Fourth Amendment. The driver highlighted this, explaining that turning into the driveway was not illegal and could not constitute a crime or infraction.
We were trying to figure out.
I understand that.
We're trying to figure out what you're doing there.
But you're not to figure out what I'm doing, police. You're the law enforcement, police.
And that we're trying to figure out. It's suspicious. So we're just trying to figure out what you were doing there.
Is one of these cars your supervisor?
Yes, sir, it is.
I'd like to talk to your supervisor,
You're going
please.
to talk to me right now. And do you have your driver's license, sir?
I'm not. I don't think I'm required to give you my driver's license, and I'd like to talk to your supervisor to find out.
Yes, sir. May I please get your driver's license?
I don't believe you're giving me a lawful command, sir.
Yes, I am, sir.
For what purpose do you need my ID? What crime or ordinance do you suspect me to have broken?
Because it was suspicious of you to pull
Suspicious?
into the
Is that a misdemeanor or is that a felony?
This way.
Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
That's articulable reasonable suspicion that you were
Of what
doing
crime?
something. That you were loitering or something like that. Do you have
evidence that I was loitering?
Sir, you pulled in back there, did you not?
I turned around, yeah, because I saw that I couldn't get through.
You couldn't get through. The road was open. I don't know.
Oh, I saw. It looked like there was checkpoints for getting into the prison or something. So we turned around because we didn't think we could get through.
As you can see from our plate, we're not from here, so
I
yeah.
understand that. Do you have your driver's license?
I don't. I'm telling you. Am I lawfully required to give you my ID?
Yes, sir. Yes,
What? For what purposes am I lawfully required?
What I just explained to you, sir.
Suspicion isn't a crime, and I didn't break any ordinance.
Reasonable suspicion, yes.
Of a crime.
Of a crime. Reasonable suspicion that you turn around back
Can
there
I just
doing
talk to the
something.
supervisor that's back there?
No, sir. I need your driver's license.
I'm done answering questions.
All right, sir. I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle for me, sir.
For what purpose?
Step out of the vehicle, sir. I just need to identify you.
But for what purpose?
You're making it harder. All I'm trying to do is...
I'm trying to make it lawful.
All I'm trying to do
What law do you think I broke to pull me over for?
You were down there. You pulled into the...
Yes, I
didn't
did.
know what you were doing, right?
I turned around.
That's the
I told you
warden's
what I'm doing.
residence. That's the warden's residence.
I turned
State
around.
Property,
I didn't know
right?
whose it was.
It's state property. So I came
So
down
it's
here to
public
identify.
property.
That's state property, okay?
Public property, then.
That's state property, okay?
Was it illegal to turn around on his
Well,
property?
it's articulable reasonable suspicious that you're performing something
A turnaround
illegal there,
in a
or
vehicle.
you're doing something there when we have other things going on. So if I can please identify
I'm not
you,
from
sir.
this town.
Okay, and that's fine. And all I have to do is identify you. We can get you on your way.
How is identifying me going to tell you what I was doing?
Well, we're making sure that you're not a wanted person. You're somebody that's going to go there and harm the warden or something.
The ID is not going to tell you
I'm making a
that.
formal request for your supervisor right now.
Okay, well that's fine, sir.
I'm formally
But-
making a request
and
right now for your
I'm making a
supervisor.
formal request that you provide your driver's license.
But it's not a lawful request, correct?
It is a lawful
For
request.
what reason do I need
Like I
ID?
said,
myself?
articulable suspicion.
What is the statute?
3611,
35.3611. What's your statute ID? It says that if you've committed a crime, if you have
Negative.
in the commission of a crime,
Negative.
already
Go ahead,
committed a crime.
Step out for me, sir. You want to step back?
I'm trying to get identified,
back
and I
here.
don't think I need to.
Step back here.
For what reason?
Step back here.
What did he explain? He explained that I turned around in someone's driveway.
The situation escalated further when the driver formally requested a supervisor, but the trooper ignored the request and continued demanding identification. OCGA Section 16-10-24.3 makes it unlawful for public officers to use their position to deprive individuals of their rights. The driver expressed that the officer's actions, including threats of arrest, were coercive and without lawful basis. Despite the driver's objections, they eventually provided their ID under the threat of arrest, emphasizing they did so unwillingly.
Yes, I did.
Okay,
I don't know whose driveway was.
Stop and listen. You asked me a question. I'm telling you exactly what I'm
I
doing.
don't. Is it unlawful to turn around in a driveway?
Let me explain to
Go
you.
ahead.
I get where I'm going.
Go ahead.
All right. Currently, there's been events happening there at the prison, correct?
I don't know. I'm from. You can see I'm from
All right,
Florida.
so we're-
Okay. So this is what's going on.
Okay.
There's been events that's happening there at the prison in the last week. All right.
I didn't know
We
that.
have an incident going on right now.
I didn't know that
Now,
either.
You pulled into the warden's driveway. Now you're leaving.
I pulled into
we
a driveway. I didn't know whose driveway it was. Wasn't posted for trespassing.
If you
I
hand
made
your
sure to
phone
look.
to your buddy, he can hit record with both phones, but you're going to step out here and we're going to try to identify you.
Well, how is stepping out going to make me identify?
Because you haven't cooperated. I asked you
Okay,
multiple
so
times.
I'm going to ask
here.
you, sir. So you're a supervisor, correct?
Doesn't matter. This is his stop right now.
But is this a lawful request for
Yes.
my ID?
That is correct.
Can you tell me what lawful statute or
Sir, step
of what?
out.
Get out.
My wallet's down there, so I can get you my ID from down there.
Can you
I'm
grab
not
your
going to have you
wallet
get
from
it.
right there? Can you grab? I was
I
pointing
can't
at
see
it.
it.
It's right there. That's why I was pointing at it. You think that?
Okay, so I'm going to identify myself.
Let me see you.
I'm going to identify myself, but I am going to make sure to follow through with this because I don't believe it's
By
lawful.
all means, please,
Okay.
sir.
So
I'm
you're-
not telling you. I'm not telling
So
you.
you're
can't.
right, just for the record, you're identifying me right now for what purpose?
Like I told you.
Because it's suspicious.
Turned
Because I'm
around.
suspicious.
Yes, you turned around. You don't know everything that has happened.
I don't
recently.
know anything that's
Okay,
happened. I'm not
so
from here.
I'm going to explain it to you once I'm able to identify it.
Okay. So you're identifying me for suspicious behavior,
Yes, sir.
and that's not a misdemeanor nor a felony.
It is. It would
nor
be.
have I
What-
committed
what-
a traffic infraction.
We don't know what you're doing. But honestly,
This isn't going to tell you what I'm doing. But so, just for the record, I have not made a traffic infraction, correct?
sir,
Is that correct?
You pulled into the water.
Did I
You
make
are
a traffic
articulable.
infraction? Yes or
Sir.
no?
Sir, you pulled into a driveway that does not
Yes, I
belong
did.
to you, right?
Yes.
You don't know who it belonged to.
Correct. I was
All
turning
right,
around.
so
It's
I'm
a
coming down
normal
here.
practice.
I've informed you.
Yes.
When I initially informed you, when I asked for your driver's license, you asked for the reason. I informed you whose driveway that was.
Which I asked was that unlawful,
All right.
and you said and you
Yes,
said it's
I'm
state
trying to
property.
I'm trying to figure out because of the
My
events that
ID is going
occurred.
to make it yes or not
Yes, sir.
unlawful?
Yes, sir.
My
Let
ID
me
is going to
see- let me
change
see
whether
your
it's
driver's
lawful or
license.
not. All right. I am handing you my driver's license
Yes,
under
sir.
duress. Under threat
okay.
of... Am I going to get arrested if I don't give you my license?
Sir, you can be charged. I'm just asking for your driver's license.
Am I going to be arrested if I don't give you
I'm
my
just
driver's
asking
license?
for your driver's license. Yes, sir.
If
you
you're-
can be arrested.
If
You
you're
can.
asking for it, I'm going to say no. If you're requesting it, requiring it by law...
I am requiring it
under
by law.
threat of arrest, then I will...
I
then
am
will do it.
requiring it by law. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am going to get arrested if I don't ID myself.
There is state law that says when you're requested by
That's a
law
yes or
enforcement.
no?
Yes,
Okay.
if you're required by law enforcement, you must provide your driver's
All right. If there's a reasonable suspicion.
This is articulable reasonable suspicion. You just
Of
proved
what
it.
crime? Of what crime? Whoa! Whoa! Simple battery. You just battered me, sir.
Step out here, because I've given you lawful commands.
And you have my ID.
Please,
And you have my ID.
Please give your phone to your friend, and we're gonna step out here.
Okay, I'm stepping out. You don't need to manhandle me. I'm
I'm
stepping
not.
out.
How am I
You're
managing?
in-
Step out.
Step out.
Okay, I'm stepping
I'm not.
out.
I don't want you doing anything to put the vehicle in drive because I've had that happen before.
I'll shut it off.
All right, thank you.
I didn't even think of that. I apologize.
Step back
Okay,
here.
I'm stepping back. Ah.
We're gonna step in front of my car. We'll get off the road.
The encounter reached its peak when the trooper forcibly removed the driver from the vehicle, an action that could constitute battery under Georgia law OCGA Section 16-5-23. The driver accused the officer of excessive force and stated they would hold the officer accountable for violating their rights.
I just want you out the roadway. I just want you out the roadway.
He said rear. You said my car, and he said rear. So that's
All right, drop it.
You drop it. Stop barking orders at me, tyrant. That's what you are. You know it. And we're gonna make sure everybody knows it. Hey, go live. Are you live?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, go live.
The incident concluded with the driver vowing to expose the trooper's misconduct, calling it a blatant abuse of authority and public trust. They expressed outrage over the unlawful detention, threats, and physical removal from the vehicle. Determined to hold the officer accountable, the driver stated that such behavior must be challenged to protect others from similar violations. They left the scene resolved to ensure the trooper's actions were brought to light.